Come on, everyone. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. But yeah, what's up, that wolf? You know, I don't want to work anymore, but I am severely underwater on a position right now. Ooh, not looking good. Not looking good right now. So we'll move my microphone a little bit closer. How you doing, my dude? Yeah, not looking good. Yeah, that's me, bro. That's me on TradingView. LOL. Yeah. Is that really you on TradingView? Yeah, man. I sent you the message. You gave me your thing. It's a little weird on how to send messages on here. It's not that easy. How does it work again? My profile. And then you gotta go to following, and then you're there, and then I gotta go like that, and then I gotta go there. It's just a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. But Samsung G8, that wolf, 32-inch 4K 200 hertz. LOL, sorry. Haha. Samsung G8. Okay, I'm gonna buy 4 contracts right now. There we go. Because oh guys, I went long. Where did I go long? I went long right here, and I was up, and then I went to bed, and now I'm down a lot. Should be on the far right icon for messages. Far right icon. And there's the opening bell. And I'm just getting thunder fucked over here. So all good. We'll see if we can get back up here. And I think that's gonna be pretty easy target to rebalance this before I liquidate my account. But there goes the morning low. And then we got this old low on August 20th. Let's see if we can put that on there. We'll probably sweep that first and then reverse. But if I can get back up here to break even, maybe even a little bit of profit, that'd be nice. The morning high. Oh man. We go low below 23,000. Yeah, maybe I should just waited a little bit. So I got 6 contracts on. We'll see if I can buy another one if we reverse here and try to get back to break even. Dang, it's dropping. Oh yeah, I already made 1,100 bucks on a 50k account and 4,400 on a 150 account taking shorts today. Yes sir, well done. Yeah, those are real nice price action. Yeah, I really thought we were gonna get up here and then drop like a stone, but obviously we're going to leave this 4-hour gap open and we'll come back to it later. And then what else we got for gaps? Let me just take this off. Whoa. I'll hide that. Yeah, this, we're probably going to turn around at 10 o'clock and come back up. And I'll be able to break even, I'm sure of it. But that wolf, I've been playing with this other thing. Let me see where are we at. Yeah, here comes the reversal, sweeping that low from August 20th. Yeah, and then we're gonna go up now. Yeah, the daily looks great, depending on what you want. Yeah, the daily's been bearish already for a while. I knew this wasn't looking good. But yeah, we're coming below here. We'll get here easily. No problem. Whether we bounce here and continue higher, or that'll be the breaker right there on the daily. Coming inside here. So whether we bounce or come a little bit further down into this fair value gap here, maybe this one, or just in between the two. Maybe something like this. This might be the sweet spot. We can bounce off of here and continue higher. I doubt we'll get down here, but because I'm still bullish on the end of the year. There we go. How many points do I got to go to break even? 110? No problem. Well, on the daily, I was already expecting. So when we swept this low here, so August 20th, last Wednesday, was it last Wednesday? No, it was like 2 weeks ago. As soon as we swept this low, I'm gonna change the color of it so we can see it. I'll make it red. No, that's not, you can't see it. Teal? Oh, come on. Let's make that one white. When we swept this low and created this huge fair value gap, overlapping this fair value gap here, so we inverted on the daily and created another one to the downside, we were in trouble right here. This was where the market rolled over. And then we just came up here to fake everybody out into the fair value gap. Normally you wouldn't see us close above it, and now we're thunderfucked. No, man, okay, so my bot, I played around with the bot yesterday because yesterday was a holiday. There's another bot that I have that looks really good, and I put commissions and slippage into it, and it still had impressive results. So let's go to the 1 minute here. I think, oh, I did set a take profit. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna easily get up here. I'm gonna get my money back. No big deal. No big fucking deal. Okay. Let's go look at some strategies here, some bots. I worked really hard yesterday to try to get a bot up and running. I got interactive brokers working. So check out this bot, the JDub strategy. It's gotta be on a 5-minute chart. And we're gonna put last 365 days. How's that? You need a bare minimum of 2-to-1 on max drawdown versus total P&L. Horrible, 223% in a year? Come on, man. Are you really serious about bot? Yeah, that's better. I had this up to 600, 700%. Let's play with some settings here. Only trading between 2 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time. Let's see here. Position size, risk-based, fixed contracts 1, risk amount $300. You have to divide it by max drawdown. Properties, $10,000 account, USD, order size 1, pyramid 1, commission 1%, dude. What's the commission? What should I put the commission on? If you're not paying a 1% USD per contract, oh, percent. Percent 0.01. Okay, here we go. 0.01%. Slippage, verify price slippage. Let's go 1 point slippage. 2 tick slip. Slippage 2 ticks. Okay. Max margin. Okay. Update report. Let's see. Okay, 154%. Did you buy it already? No, this is actually a free bot, Heisenberg. So this is a free. Oh, it's giving you a buy signal right now. 2-to-1. Where do you see 2-to-1? Oh, he retracted his message. 3-to-1. What's a 3-to-1? Is that a setting you want me to change in here? I'm not going to use a firm. If I was going to use a bot, it would be with interactive brokerage. P&L divided by max drawdown. Max equity drawdown 12,000. 48%. Profitable trades. Dang, you got balls. On a real account? Yes, real account. I will put it on a real account. 154%. Not bad, right? Let's change some of the dates here. Actually, let's change a couple other things. Settings. Let's go 48%. It's not 154% divided by 48%. Let's change the times. Let's say this thing only trades between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. %175%. Look at that. 187 trades over a year. That look pretty bad in here. I don't know. What am I don't understand. Why am I dividing the 175? Tradeify is 35 USD per account. They allow bots. So you would go through interactive brokers and you can set up an API bot with that. And I got pretty close to getting it up and running, but it did not. It was a lot of work and I didn't successfully get a bot up and running yesterday. But yeah, they allow bots. This is it's a professional brokerage account. Like you put your own money in and you can set up bots. Like this is what like hedge fund managers use and shit. It's where is the, hold on a second. Let me open the terminal. Here it is. It looks pretty janky. But anyway, 1 minute candles. Yeah, the interface sucks. Like, what is this? Why is this doing this? Remove this trend line. I didn't even want this trend line. That's how you compare bots. 175% divided by the max drawdown. That's how you compare bots. Okay. So Debt Wolf has a little bit of experience with bots. I'm just looking out for you, man. It's good on paper, but it can change right away. Yeah. That's fair. I would, you know, you can set this up on a demo account first and run the bot and see how it goes. But you can tweak this. There's better bots than this. The guy actually teaches you how to create your own bot. These are just the free bots that he's put out. What is the number when you divide it? Let's see here. Okay, I'll oblige you. 175% divided by 51% equals 3.4. So is that a 3.4 to 1? What about 9:30 to 11? Yeah, now I'll do that with several bots and find the highest number. Yeah, like this is, I'm not gonna go live with this one. Look at that. Now we got 217% just trading between, only with this bot running between 9:30 and 11 a.m. Let's dial it in some more. What about only 9:30 to 10:30? You're only allowed trades in this hour. Update report. Oh, it's worse. Let's try 10 to 11. That hour. 117. $9.45 to 11. It's worse. You didn't even look at the max drawdown. I'm looking at the total P&L. You have to look at both numbers. What, you want the lowest drawdown? Wrong. What's wrong? Oh, you have to look at both numbers. It's worse. You didn't even look at the max drawdown. Okay. It's the highest number when you divide it. I see what you're saying. Understood. What about the profit factor? The amount of money the strategy made for every unit of money it lost. Gross profits divided by gross losses. Yeah, this is 1 micro. So why not, can you use the highest profit factor? Does that just go on that? So 1.35. If you bet 100, you make 136. Yeah, you got it. No. Yes. No, you're right. But on top of that, right, your total P&L, profit, total profit and loss. It has to be above 1.0. Okay, hold on a second though. So if this is a $10,000 account, am I up 12,000 bucks or my account is now $12,000? Because when we look at like my trading account right now, yeah, let's go paper trading. My account balance, realized P&L, right, is 7,400 bucks. Is that what they're talking about here? P&L is how much you're up above your initial investment. So is it 10,000 plus the 12,000, or is it just that I'm up $2,000? It has to be, because how else do you get 140%? So the account would be 22,184. I'm just about at break even, guys. Let's dial this in some more. Let's go back to 9:30 to 11. $1.423 profit factor, 219%. Max drawdown 41. I don't know. It seems like it's a pretty decent bot. Oh shit, guys! I'm about to break even here. MNQ. Oh, I won my trade. Did you see that? I actually made money. Damn! Look at that. Dodge the bullet, guys. Okay, let's get back to trading. Did you guys take any longs? Waiting for a sub 20, sub 23. So this indicator, the Fibonacci intraday range, Okuda Labs, thanks to Heisenberg, This is the max on the daily range. Basically, what is it, 161% on the Fibonacci extension. I've never seen it, well, I haven't looked that far back, but it rarely overextends this. So when we crossed over, that was a buy. I would say maybe a little retracement in here. I doubt we'll get back to here, but we're trying to get probably back to this 50% by the end of the day. So I'm looking for a retracement here. Protraction model short. Oh, sorry, not short, but I want to go long, but I want a little, just want to work inside probably this fair value gap, but we'll wait for the macro. Even better if it, you know, comes down, maybe up, something like that. I don't know if we're gonna get it, but you know, maybe a fair value gap in here that we can inverse back to the upside. Change my, so I learned a valuable lesson last night. Don't hold trades overnight counter trend. I knew we were bearish, but I was looking for that, you know, retracement up into that fair value gap, and instead it rolled over on me, and luckily I was able to double down. No, I can't hold overnight in prop firms. I haven't got a new prop firm yet. I was supposed to do that yesterday and I didn't. I got sucked into this trading bot and getting something up and running, but I don't know. I've been seeing some stuff on Instagram and from people talking, like, if you have a strategy, why wouldn't you have a bot? Why wouldn't you program a bot to implement it? And then it just executes it without any hesitation. And that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to trade like a robot. Yeah, you can like filter out some confluences and stuff like that, but you can't hold it out. Yeah. Yeah, I was doing this course to get this bot up and running on my, and this is where it all went wrong. The rules on the bot, honestly, bro, it's just copied and pasted. Where is it? Downloads, trading bots. So I got this strategy. Sorry, there's a couple in here. Let me see here. There's another one right there. The TJR 5-minute sweep. Robo Quant. This is the one that's on the screen right now. Trading bots. Yeah, so I downloaded 4 trading bots and I've just been like, oh no, actually I haven't tried this one. Let's try a different one just for fun. Command all, copy. If you want these, Heisenberg, I can send you. You can read the script if you want, and that's where the rules will be in there. No, 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 you don't want the bots. Okay, fine. I can send you a link where you can get them if you want. Just let me know. Hold on. You want me to play with this one still? Is that what you're saying? Hold on. I'll make you a bot. Hold my beer. Command A, delete. Command V, update on chart. Oh, what's this? 1 year, 1 minute CRT. So there you go. This one sucks. Actually, hold on. I'm on the wrong contract. I'm on MNQ. MNQ1. Update the report. And yeah, 2.78. Hold on, let's see how much money this thing starts with. Properties. Let's just go with 10,000. 10, 1, 2, 3. $10,000 account. Order size 1 commission 0.01. Slippage 2 ticks. No, this is the different one. A Roboquant AI 1 minute CRT strategy report. Show pre-session, show session. Pre-session start hour 8. I don't understand. Profit factor 1.2. I'm gonna keep this. Oh shit, there goes my opportunity to get in. Is a 1 or a mini or a micro? These are all made for, well, if you put on the micro chart, then you're just doing micros, right? If you put it on the mini chart, then it'll be minis. So let's see what we can change here. Pre-start hour, pre-session start minute, pre-session end hour, trading session 9. So it's like running 2 different sessions here. Let's just say 0 on this one. So it's trading, from what I can tell, between 8 and 9. And then from 9... Oh, that was 12. Let's go 8 to 12. Like that. 0, 0. That should work. Update. What about that one, Debt Wolf? That's a beautiful equity curve. 0.9. Love that. Anyway, this one sucks. Let's try another one. Come on, these are great. They're free. Asia, TJR Asia, Tom trades. Let's try this one. I haven't even seen this one. Come on. Copy. Find editor. Command A. Delete. Command V. Update on chart. Some of these got to be on different time frames. 15-minute chart. No, doesn't like that. What about the daily? No, doesn't like that. 5-minute chart. Nope. 1-minute chart. Nope. Contract size 1, ATR 1.5, take profit 2, 14 ATR, force close positions at session, minutes for entry mode, quartile, show history 30 days, session time. Oh damn, this is like only at the end of the day kind of session. Let's go between 2 a.m. and 11. Okay, update report. Damn. Oh, here's my opportunity. Let's get out of here. Those results were pretty good. Come on, man. You're so picky. You know that? You're just always so... You just don't want me to have any success, that wolf. Let's go. Get in here. For a little retracement. It's still a buy in here. There, I'll buy that, but I only want one. It's good enough. Stop loss at the other average there. Actually, there's no setup here. But there's actually no other fair value gaps until you get down here. First presented would have been this big guy right here. No, actually it's not. This is the first presented fair value gap. No. ICT's new criteria would say this one. That's what it is. If the first candle closes below liquidity, you could use it as the first presented fair value gap, and that's how it got inverted. We were off to the races. First presented FEG. Whoa, I didn't say that. Okay, we're in. Take profit, this one right here. I'm playing with you guys on your Fibonacci stuff. I think it works pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. Buy another one if we get bound down here, but that's where my stop is, so I gotta be careful. Actually, I'm gonna put my stop here. Higher risk. I should put a limit order down here is what I should do. Anyway, that's basically the end of today's trading session, guys. I was able to get a small profit on my losing position, bringing my account up to, I think it's all-time high. And wait, what am I waiting for? Is something happening? Other than 1010, I got a bot with a 2.23 profit factor. Okay, where'd you get that? Send it over. You just made it. What do you mean you just made it? It's a VWAP? All right. Well, we're gonna have to work quickly. I need to make breakfast and get to work. So let's go here. I'm gonna take off this. You're on the electronic trading hours. Yep. On the regular trading hour setting. Okay. Regular trading hours. Dun, dun, dun. Following Heisenberg. Somehow I'm not following you. It's not letting me send a message. This user has chosen not to be available for direct messages and invitations to chat. You blocked me already. Oh, here it is. That's weird. Okay, let's have a look. Just sent you the link to my chart layout. This is very strange. Okay, VWAP settings. VWAP strategy with end of day close. Using regular trading hours. Use the 1 minute. Okay. I think I'll just try to copy the settings over on here. How does that work? Strategy tester, load your strategy. VWAP. VWAP. VWAP strategy with and the big close report. Is that what you just called it though? You're using one of the indicators. You have to tell the strategy to close at 1600 Eastern time. Which indicator are you using on here though? I don't think it has that logic. No, I'm just trying to like recreate it on mine. I just sent you my chart layout. It has that strategy. Yeah, but like I hear you, brother. Settings. It just sent me your screen. It doesn't really. I gotta copy it, I think. Download data is XLS. Document drive. Let's go. Downloads, trading bots. Save. And then I'll see if I can. Open strategy. I'm trying to get it. What I want to do is put it on my chart. That's what I want to do with it. Where did it go? Right, it doesn't give me a whole lot to play with. It's just all locked in. This is how it showed up on my screen there. Let's see here, strategy testing, load your strategy. Damn. Because like on the 5 minute, it takes a while for the candles to close. This doesn't look good. Okay. Open script. No. Okay, Heisenberg. Which indicator are you using? You made it, but you made it with a VWAP indicator. Did you not? No, it's published. It's not published. You created your own VWAP? Is that what you're trying to tell me? You coded your own VWAP in Pine Editor? Do you have the Pine Editor here? Uh-oh, now I lost it. Strategy tester. See, that's the thing. It doesn't give me anything. I can only look at this chart, which doesn't tell me anything. I can't change anything. You have its view only mode. Raghav, how you doing, man? I'm trying to get out of here, but Heisenberg's got me super intrigued right now with a strategy that he made. Anyway, I'm stuck. It's 20 after. I really gotta get out of here, guys. This has been fun though. We'll mess around. You can't right click and save the script. No, it does not give me oh my god, look at this crap. It doesn't give me anything. Yeah, Heisenberg took the course already. He figured out how to write his own script. He did it right here live in a couple minutes. So this is all I got, Heisenberg. Strategy tester, replay, overview, performance, the trades, list of trades. But it doesn't tell me, I can't see here what asset it's on. It doesn't show me the time frame. All I can see is the VWAP strategy with end of day close report and the settings, and I can download the data. And opening a strategy does nothing. All I can see is the settings from here. So it might be on NQ. Yeah, sorry brother, you're gonna have to share it in a different way, because the way I got it, this is all I got. There's nothing else I can really look at, so I can mess with it, but it doesn't tell me what the asset is. Like I said, it doesn't even tell me prices, nothing. So yeah, if you want to, you could. I would appreciate that, but like I said, I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna be late for work, but thanks for coming out. Oh look, I'm winning my trade now. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow though. Have a good one. Thanks so much. See you later, Quant man, Mr. Quant.